Hello friends, welcome to Exam Bits Bank. Today we are going to study SSC CHSL Geography from previous year questions, and this is the part 3. Hope you all have watched part 1 and part 2 videos. Friends, please find the PDF of today's session. You can find the link in the description box. Friends, please join us on Telegram. This is the user ID. However, the link is provided in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's start with the session. Bhugyas are high-altitude meadows and pastures in the Himalayan slopes. In which state would you find them most? Options are Assam, Tamil Nadu, Sikkim or Uttarakhand. Here the correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. So Bhugyas are alpine pasture land and meadows in the range between 3,300 meter and 4,000 meter of the Himalayas in Uttarakhand, and the surface of these bhugyas is covered with natural green grass and seasonal flowers. So the image shows how bhugyas are seen. Moving on to next question. Dash is a metamorphic rock form characterized by banding caused by segregation of different types of rock, typically light and dark silicates. The options are gneiss, quartzite, slate or marble. Here the correct answer is option A, gneiss. So gneiss is a metamorphic rock form characterized by banding caused by segregation of different types of rock, typically light and dark silicates. Moving on to next question. The city of Belagavi is located in the state of. Options are Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Kerala or Karnataka. Here the correct answer is option D, Karnataka. So the city of Belgaum is located in the state of Karnataka, and it is also called as second capital of the state Karnataka, and it was capital of ancient Kadamba kings, Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas. Moving on to next question. The Valayar Dam is in the which district of Kerala? The options are Kasaragod, Palakkad, Thrissur or Idukki. Here the correct answer is option B, Palakkad. So the Valayar Dam is in the Palakkad district of Kerala, and it was constructed across the Valayar river, which is the tributary of Kalpathipuja river, and it was completed and opened in 1964. Moving on to next question. Gahirmatha Sanctuary is the only sanctuary for dash in Odisha. The options are elephants, turtles, crocodiles or deer. Here the correct answer is option B, turtles. So Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary is a marine wildlife sanctuary located in Odisha, and it is world's largest nesting beach for olive ridley turtles, and it was established in 1997. Moving on to next question. In the solar system, among the planets listed below, which planet is farthest from the Sun? The options are Mars, Jupiter, Neptune or Venus. Here the correct answer is option C, Neptune. So Neptune planet is the farthest planet from the Sun. The image shows the planets in the solar system. Moving on to next question. Which of the following states share the longest boundary with China? Options are Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand. Here the answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. So China shares its boundary line with Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh, and it shares its longest boundary line with Arunachal Pradesh, and this boundary line is called McMahon line. Moving on to next question. Which state does not share a common border with Chhattisgarh? Options are Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand or Maharashtra. Here the correct answer is option A, Bihar. So Chhattisgarh does not share its border with Bihar state, and it shares its border with Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana and Odisha. Moving on to next question. Which of the following countries' border does not touch China? The options are Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam or Myanmar. Here the correct answer is option A, Cambodia. So the China touches Vietnam, Laos and Myanmar and does not touch the country Cambodia. Moving on to next question. What is the mean temperature of Earth? Options are 6 degrees Celsius, 16 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius or 36 degrees Celsius. Here the correct answer is option B, 16 degrees Celsius. So average temperature on Earth is 16 degrees Celsius and in Faraday it is 61 degree Faraday, and temperatures tend to be higher near the equator and lower near the pole. Moving on to next question. Which among the following is false about Earth? Options are densest planet, fifth largest planet, also known as red planet, or third planet from the sun. Here the answer is option C, also known as red planet. This is wrong. So densest planet, fifth largest planet and third planet from the sun. These statements are right. So also known as red planet, this is wrong. So red planet is Mars and Earth is the largest of the terrestrial planet. Moving on to next question. Dash in Chandrapur district is the oldest and largest national park in Maharashtra. Options are Tadoba Andhari Tiger Project, Bandipur National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park or Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary. Here the answer is option A, Tadoba Andhari Tiger Project. So this is located in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state and it was created in the year 1995, and this reserve includes Tadoba National Park and Andhari Wildlife Sanctuary. Moving on to next question. Corbett National Park was established to protect which animal? Options are Bengal tigers, snow leopards, Asiatic lions or one-horned rhinos. Here the answer is option A, Bengal tigers. So Corbett National Park of India is located in Uttarakhand and it was the first park to be established under Project Tiger, and it was established to protect the Bengal tigers in the year 1936. Moving on to next question. Which of the following is commonly used in preparing custard powder? Options are ragi, maize, wheat or rice. So the correct answer is option B, maize. So it is mostly used in preparing custard powder and it is the most widely distributed crops in the world, and it is cultivated in tropics, subtropics and temperate regions. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Take care.